I'm going to tell you the easiest way that you can uninstall an app in any version of Microsoft Windows. Let's dive in. You need to press logo plus R and in here type app with.cpl and press on the enter. In here you will see all of the apps that you installed in your Microsoft Windows. So you need to find the app that you need to uninstall it. If you can't find it and you have lots of apps, in here just search the program. As an example, I'm going to uninstall an app like a Wind Scribe, something like this. This is a VPN. I just type Wind and I will see all of the apps that concluded Wind letters. So I found it, right click on it and hit on the uninstall, press on the yes, all done. Your app is successfully removed from your computer. If this video helps you, don't forget to press the like button and subscribe to the channel. If you want, you can see this video too. On that one, I'm going to tell you how you can play PS1 games on your Android device. See you at the next one.